Hello everybody, this is Jacob from MegaBot again. In this video I will show you how to make the Get Started story. Like I mentioned in my previous video, every storyboard is gonna have a default message and a Get Started message. The Get Started message that I'm gonna show you how to make now will make it so that when somebody enters the chat, the bot will automatically ask what language would you like to be served on, and then it will automatically translate everything using AI translation, which is honestly much better than the Google translations that most people have grown used to at this time. Before we get started, there is one important setting that you need to enable. So we start on the dashboard. On left side, click on Settings, and then click on General Settings. Down here in the bottom, maybe you've already noticed, but it says Bot Auto Translation. It needs to be put to yes. It's going to be default. When you're a new user, it will be on no, so make sure you put it to yes and click Save. Now we go to left panel, click Story. After clicking Story, you're going to be back here in Manage Bot Stories, and you can see that we have the ones that we have previously created. We have the one called Lisa, the default message, and then we have the hi, hello, and yo, which was really only just one text response. So now we're going to create the one with the languages, the big Get Started one. Just for the sake of keeping this beautiful, let's start by creating a category and say Start Chat. This one from earlier, update the category to be Start Chat. And then we create the new one. Here we just select, we write language. In the next section, we say something that would make sense, like welcome to PJ Patong Assortment. I would be happy to assist you. What language do you prefer? And here it's up for us to put in the options. So just for this little demo, I will show English and Danish language. Down here, we now drag in the store user attribute. Enter chatbot underscore language. The value for English language is EN. And we do the same thing over here with the Danish one. Chatbot underscore language, DA. And then we say link story to the hi, hello, yo. And then we do the same thing again. Link story to hi, hello, and yo. Click. Now it should be looking like like this. Pretty simple text response into two options, into store user attributes, into link story. We click Save. And we have it here with the language one. Click on the three dotted lines and click Set as Get Started. This makes sure that this is the very first prompt, the very first orders that the AI is following when starting a chat. And it should be done loading here in a moment. And now it says Get Started button. To make it beautiful, we're going to update the category and select Start Chat. So I think it's about time that I show you how to properly test this now. We have made a default message which leads to the AI. We have the hi, hello, and yo, and we have the language, and they all play into each other. Allow me to demonstrate. Click down here in the bottom right corner on the logo, and then click on Start Conversation. Welcome to PJ Patong Assortment. I will be happy to assist you. What language do you prefer? Well, let's try Danish. I know most of you are not going to understand this, but thankfully I do. So we click here in Danish. And for this demo bot, it usually replies in about 10 seconds. But here we have a reply that actually says, welcome to PJ Patong Assortment. how can I help you? So this text right here is this one right here, the middle one, keyword combination, start chat, hi, hello, and yo, which have been translated into this. We can, of course, also just show you in English real quick. Start conversation. English. Okay, how can you help me? Well, can you tell me about the weather in Thailand during April? And I'm just demonstrating this right now to show you that now it's the AI brain that's going to take over, because we haven't given it any specific answers to this yet. So this is where it's just going to use the AI knowledge. If this seems like too much information, you can always tell the AI to give less information if given an answer you don't know the question to, such as keep your answer short, keep everything 5 lines max. Let's think of another question, just to show it. Let's see, what should we think about? Can you tell me how many stars exists? Again, this is not a question that's related to the hotel. It's related to the general knowledge of the AI. But we did also earlier, when we taught the AI, we did give it some websites to learn from. So you could also say, can you tell me about the resort? I just want to hear you describe the resort. And this is not a bad thing. So here it says, what would you really like to know? Are you interested in the accommodations, amenities, dining options, or activities available? I specified it that I just wanted the bot to describe the resort. And then, yeah, it comes with a little description here. So that is everything for this section with setting up the language button. So yeah, this is everything for this video. Thank you very much for being here and learning with me.